Hey everybody, today we're going to do National Ice Cream Day. That's right, today is National Ice Cream Day, and apparently Dippin' Dots was giving away free small size ice cream. And the place that I went to here at the mall at the Fairfield Commons in Beaver Creek, Ohio, was not participating. She apparently, the person behind the counter apparently never even heard of the offer. So apparently they're going to miss out on possible corporate money for the promotional. You know, as a corporate body, if they're doing a promotional, then they what is the right term? Well, they're basically giving them money to do the promotional. Not only would that help out with the company, it would also help out with their location recognition, and apparently they weren't informed. So they're probably not looking at their corporate communications. Okay, but we have, for $4.95, we have a small mint chocolate chip Dippin' Dots, and that's what they look like. They're kind of brownish for the chocolate and greenish for the mint, and it looks like the overall is mint. Pretty much on par with a regular box of mint chocolate chip ice cream. Here's the Dippin' Dots, if you will, and then it says ice cream, and then there's a hashtag, and it says dippingdots.com. And there's not really much to it in the sense that of the packaging. It's clear. It says Dippin' Dots on the logo on it, and then it says ice cream, dippingdots.com. Then there's the coloration of the ice cream. Now let's go in for that bite and see what we have, because I usually tried to avoid Dippin' Dots because I didn't think that the ice cream overall was not so much as a novelty, but it didn't do justice to regular ice cream in the sense of fullness. Whoa. That is awesome ice cream, though. If I remember correctly, these are frozen by liquid nitrogen, I think, in the process. They run the ice cream near tubes of liquid nitrogen or something along that lines. Or it could be, it'd have to be that, through the process to make them little round balls. But these are extremely cold. But it is awesome. It really is. Had to roll down the window. It's blazingly hot. No, not hot, but muggy. Sorry about that. This is, and it's melting fast. So we have a bit of a problem. Trying to do a balancing act between avoiding total meltdown on the ice cream, it being extremely cold, and yet being muggy outside. I already see evidence on the lid, here on the lid, where it is completely melted to its liquid form. And I'm sweating, so it's that muggy. Wow. Even though it's frozen, really frozen ice cream, it doesn't have the crunch, but it's almost like eating just raw ice. It is that cold. Look at the steam pouring off of it. Wow. That's incredible. Yep. Oh, here's the evidence right there. Look at that meltdown right there on that. Even though there is somewhat of a breeze coming through now, it is muggy. Oh, that's better. I had the window up on this side, trying to avoid traffic noise. Here's another good look. I hate to say it, but I'm not going to be able to make it through this. This is something that you know, some of the bigger and tougher guys can do. Well, they're not tougher, but it's Uh-oh. It's early in the morning, and I'm trying to do a wonderful Dippin' Dots ice cream review. And let me get this real quick. And it's rather hard to deal with ice cream early in the morning for me anymore. Alrighty. Well, we're going to cut it short there. Bring this back up here real quick. Dippin' Dots, thumbs up on your wonderful ice cream. This is actually the first time I've ever had it. Like I said, I tried to avoid it in the past because I didn't think much of it, but I've changed my mind. One more, just one more. Even though it's hard to. Okay, that's it. Well, hopefully you have better opportunity today to go to Dippin' Dots, because they're supposed to have a 2-hour window in which they give away free small cups of ice cream. And with that, like and subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Take care.